What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dang, dude, my rod's gonna break. You know, there's some big fish in this pond. Actually, the biggest fish I've caught out here was an 8-pounder. And I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna start off with a lipless. Hopefully we get on something. But about like 3 years ago, caught an 8-pounder off that tree right there. So I'm guessing that has to be at least 10 this year, since it's been 3 years. If it's still in here, if nobody's caught them and taken them out. And also, forgot to mention, there's another pond on the other side of these woods. Also has monsters in it. Alright, I'm gonna switch over to the clickbait, you guys. I got this white one. Oh man, got a hook in my finger. I'm also just gonna reel in slow, reel it back slow, and hold my rod tip down so it'll go down deeper. Like I said. Oh, dang! You seen that, you guys? Small one. Man, my drag was loose, really loose. Always check your drag. Always check it, you guys. There's a lot of limbs that's broken off these trees. I can feel them. I like to throw my bait to like close to where I'm gonna walk up to next, because there's times that you just walk up there and you already spooked the bass away. So I like to cast to the spot that I'm gonna move to next before I walk up to it. Cast to it like at least 3 or 4 times before you decide to move. It doesn't matter what you're throwing, a worm, a jig, chatterbait, spinnerbait, it doesn't matter. There was a fish right here. You guys can't see it. God, had him. Hope you guys seen that, but before he bit, you can see the dust where he swam away. But I hope the camera caught it where he came back. He's still here, you guys. He's still here. Oh, it's a good one. Oh. Yes, sir. Calm down, buddy. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Like I was saying, I seen this fish swim away from right here. In front of all this bush. These crap right here, these limbs. I seen him when he left. All that dust, and then he had came and bit right here. I kept casting in the same spot. He had bit again, and I just threw it again. I bet you his bed's right here. Right here. His bed's right there. I promise. Look at that. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see it. Put him in the sun. Look at that tail. A little bloody. Pretty guy. Look at his eye. He has a weird eye. Look at that. But caught him on the clickbait. It's good for finding fish. Oh, I didn't even see that. I'm gonna walk back, you guys, and put on my jacket. It's really not cold right here where the wind ain't blowing, but when the wind's hitting you, that crap is cold. But I'm gonna fish right here along the bank while I walk over there. Yeah, I was putting on my jacket. He caught one.
I need the pliers. Look at the pliers.
Well, you can't do that thing.
Nice, nice. Alright. Dude, I had turned off the camera and I caught this guy right here. You can still see that, all that dust. Caught them on the clickbait. Dang, there's a chubby guy too, look at that. Fat. Look at that tail. Full of eggs. Has to be, right? I got it out. Look at that. Second fish for me. Let's see, about 2 pound. Let's weigh this fish, you guys. Yes, sir. I was right. 2 pounds, 1 ounce. Let him go. Thank you, buddy. Here we go. Yes. You're dirty, little girl. Alright, you guys. Well, the next spot, I'm gonna walk around with these 2 rods, the chatterbait and the jig. Still windy as crap over here, but I have a feeling we'll catch something. I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna start off with this chatterbait. Oh, okay. You about hit her in the face. This water is actually more clear than the other one. And there's some big ones in this one too. I'm gonna slow down because my chatterbait is coming up. I'm gonna walk this way now. I'm gonna throw around the jig. No, when did you buy it? When did you buy it? Look at her. No, that's mine. Don't touch it. I got one. I got one. Oh, it felt big. It felt big, you guys. Oh, it came off. Caught him on the clickbait. Look at her. Thank you. Look at that fishy. Yeah, well, I caught that one, you guys. Like I said, like I've been doing along the bank. And look at that pretty little fish. I thought it was a huge one. Alright, guys, so we came back to the pond that we started. I'm gonna just throw around the jig. We didn't catch nothing over there. After that one fish I caught, I had moved, started using the jig, and my GoPro battery had died. So I ain't changed it till now. But I didn't miss nothing. Yeah. None of us caught anything over there. But me, that one small fish. But the only reason I stopped here is on the way out to the next spot. I just stopped and I'm gonna throw around the jig. There's some spots that I missed. Alright, you guys, this is day number 2 out here. But we're gonna get right into it because we only got like 2 hours of daylight in this, and it's supposed to rain. It's been raining all day. That's why I didn't come. I would have been here earlier, but it didn't start raining until 3, and then it's like hour and 30-minute drive to get here. But I'm gonna start off with a lipless. It's really windy out here. It's hard, blowing hard too. I'm gonna start on this end. Hopefully I get something. And it's cold. Oh crap! I messed up. Must swim this slow. Nothing. Oh, I got it under the tree. I got it out. I didn't want to lose that.
Fish. Yeah.
No. You don't have to throw these. Alright, I'm gonna keep throwing around the lipless. Just because I want to catch something on it. Alright, I walked back. I fished off that whole side. Walked back to the truck. Got the jig and the chatterbait. And I'm gonna fish this side of the pond. Currently walking over there now. I didn't get nothing over there. My brother had one, but he lost it. Just a small one. Hopefully I don't get me by a snake. But I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna start off with a chatterbait. Whoa. I'm gonna put it down. Put the chatterbait down. All around the jig. Drag it. Just drag it around, I guess. There we go. Get it way out there. Give it some time to sink real quick. Just drag it back. Dang, it's starting to blow hard. Oh, I got one. Dude, it feels big. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, I got one, you guys. On the jig. It's a decent one. Stay down, buddy. Stay down. Oh, it's a fat one. Ah, get up here. Yes. Look. Finally. Dragging that jig. Thank you. Look at that. Solid 2-pounder, man. Probably even bigger. Look at that. What's in your mouth? Look at that, you guys. On that juicy jig. Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you, Lord. There we go, you guys. I got him unhooked. Pretty fish. I was just dragging that jig out there. Slow. Just dragging it slow. I honestly thought I went over. I probably did. I went over a log or something down there. And then I felt some weight. Saw my line moving. Got this beautiful, beautiful bass. I'm gonna weigh him for you guys. I said about on that Guggen Squad scale. Let's see, it's taking a little time. Come on now. Ooh, look at that. 2 pounds, 15 ounces, you guys. Good fish for me. Yes, sir. Man, every time I always catch my first fish on Guggen baits. Beautiful fish. Let's get a release on them. Thank you, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, you guys. You see? Alright, guys. I just ran all the way over here because my brother got a big one, and I had to hold his rod. Dude, that's a bad one. Dude, I'm tired. I'm out of breath, but it was worth it. Alright, you guys, we got the fish unhooked. Look at that. Big fish. Big old girl. Bloody tails. But like I was saying, you guys, I had to run. I was way down there. And I had to run. We've been here for like 20 minutes. And I'm out of breath. But it was worth it for this big girl. Heck yeah. You want to take the pictures over?
Yeah, go ahead. Just moving it.
Hey, you guys want to get her? Oh my God! Look at that.
Told you.
Pick me up.
Not fair right
Ready? Say, oh,
Told you.
that water's cold. I didn't know it was that freaking deep.
I jumped.
Golly. Alright guys, like I was saying, we're gonna get a release on this girl. I'm gonna have to toss her. There she goes. Yeah, swear the word nice. He caught that on the Mondo worm. Well, you guys, I think we're gonna keep fishing, but I think I'm gonna end it here because it is getting dark. Whew, and my battery's dead on my other GoPro, so we'll keep fishing. If I don't know, I might not pull the GoPro out. Probably not. But anyways, you guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.